Okay guys, let's see how to initialize your Sony a6000 camera. You have to keep in your mind it will reset all the camera into default settings and it will act like a new camera if you have configured these custom key settings. In here I have set custom button as a exposure compensation. Second custom button I have configured as a lock on autofocus, and after we initialize this camera those settings will be also reset. And another thing you should keep in your mind, if you have installed any application, those application will be deleted from your memory, camera memory. And here you can see I have installed some applications. Those application will be deleted, and nothing to worry about memory card. Those data will remain, only the camera getting resetting. First I go to, in the top menu I select the last option, and here I go to 6th page. In here there is a settings reset button. In here you have two options to select. One is camera settings reset button, next one is initialize. When you initialize, camera will format itself and start from the power on mode. So let's see how to initialize your camera. I select initialize and restore settings to their default and delete registered data. I click OK. Reboot automatically. So let's see. I click OK. Now camera getting reset and it will restart. Okay. First we have to configure the area, date and time. So let's enter. I put my area as Asia. And then I select my date. And now I select my current time. To click enter, I press the middle button over here, and I am happy with the date format. It says date, month and year format, so I keep as it is and click enter. Okay, I press OK again. Okay guys, now your camera is fully reset. Let's see whether our custom keys and those application we have installed is still there, and let's check our data also is still there or not. So let's first check the custom key. Okay, now you can see it has resetted. It has reset to default settings. Normally I have configured here the exposure compensation command, and now it's gone. Now it's give me the focus mode settings. Let's see the second custom key. Okay, it's also reset to default settings. Normally I had a lock on autofocus feature over here, and let's check whether let's check my application is still, or those application might be deleted and formatted. Let's go to application settings. Now you can see my applications also deleted. So make sure if you have any purchase any third-party application, think twice before initialize your camera. Let's check whether our data is still in the memory card. Okay, data is there. My memory card haven't formatted. Okay guys, that's how to initialize your Sony a6000 camera.